The Artesanas Mexicanas preserve, share, and honor their traditions and cultures so we can keep passing along to our kids and to more generations. We do some workshops around the community, around festivals, at schools. We have also designed lanterns for the Halloween Lantern Parade. Making piñatas, yeah, we break it, but what does that mean? So they have learned also the history of each of our art forms that we do. It definitely brings me joy because I have been here for a few years without family. So being in Artesanas Mexicanas means having a family. I feel like I'm home. I feel like I can share with others. I can keep passing along to my son. Que todos somos humanos y estamos aquí para recibir y para compartir lo que somos como cultura, porque creo que todos somos uno.